co-host Brian and Lurky, and I'm here with Chicken Colin, who used to be Leo the Lion, but turns to Chicken now. And we're here with Bobo, and we're going to continue working on our custom Funko Pop Rainbow Brite figures. Okay, good work.
Okay, so we're gonna work on Murky today. I am anyways. And I gotta add his hat, his little flap on the back of his head, his arms, and I think that's what we're gonna get done today. Okay, alright, let's get to work. I am going to be needing more clay. You need a paintbrush. We'll find the mid-size paintbrush for your red. There's your red, and you're gonna paint the bomb. Okay? Alright. Whenever you return from Chicken Land, you can work on bread.
All right.
Oh, come on, you can't take my spot, Chicken Colin.
Beat chicken, beat up the chicken, window in the tree. That's how it is.
What just happened?
Alright. Oh, are you calling now?
Yes.
Calling back? Okay, great. Calling and painting Brian.
Bright blue or blueberry frost. I don't know.
Make a mix.
Both.
You can't do both.
I'm painting the bomb red.
Painting the roses red. We're painting the roses red.
Oh, pardon me, but Mr. 3, why must you paint them red?
Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make Brian a baseball glove because I feel like he needs that little extra personal touch because he's a baseball player. And in the show they have him actually holds his baseball glove in his back pocket, which isn't very realistic, but instead we're going to put it on his hand. So he'll always have his baseball glove with him.
Does it look good? Does it bomb look good, Mommy?
From what I can tell, I can't see past Colin's arm. That's a good first coat.
What do you mean with the coat?
And you can let it dry, and then you can move over to Murky. Murky needs some red shoes.
Shoes are red now.
We're going to cut off Murky's arms. And we are going to give him different kinds of arms.
Oh no, it's
Mutilation time.
liquid paint. Liquid
You
paint.
need to take them. Okay.
Uh-oh. Mom?
It's alright. It's alright. Just try not to get it. It's okay if you get on his fur. We can always repaint.
His nose?
We can always fix that too. Try to stay on his shoes if you can.
Accidents happen, and that's okay.
I got some blue on his butt.
That's fine.
Oh, he ate an animal cracker and now he's turning into a balloon.
Yep, he is.
I have a blue bud! Wait, no, Brock! I have a blue bud!
Ah! Bombs. Off. Okay. So no arms. Ah!
Victory screech!
I'm pretty proud of myself with this Swiss coat.
Ready to get colors?
Yeah. It'll look even better when I give him more coats.
Okay.
Mommy, that's good.
That's a good first coat. Yeah, good job, buddy.
I did a pretty good Swiss coat.
Okay. Now you can put the paintbrush in the cup for now. Started painting the shoes. Yep. Cool. Alright.
Bomb.
The bomb.
Red.
It's the bomb.
Cause Mommy originally painted it black, not knowing
because
it was.
normally it would be black, but in the cartoon it's red.
Let's buy it out.
He's got a butt, yes. All things have butts.
Oh jeez. I
Some
have a
of them
butt.
have all
He had
living
a butt.
things.
He had a butt. He had
Wait,
a
so you're
butt.
saying that he's
He
living?
had a butt.
What are you doing?
I hope that chicken Colin doesn't come back.
Oh no, you better not. We've really got things going. Actually getting stuff done now. You don't need chicken Colin to come back.
You, chicken, turn chicken.
So destructive.
So destructive.
So chicken-like.
What is
chicken.
the chicken?
Well, yeah. I don't know. I guess I expect chickens to behave better than that. I don't know.
Well,
I've never been around chickens. I'm not from a farm.
I live around chickens every day.
You chicken?
What are you talking about? No, you don't.
My siblings.
You live in a suburb.
My
You've
siblings.
never lived on a farm
Wait, my
or near.
siblings.
What?
My siblings.
Your
They're
siblings?
chickens.
They're not chickens. They might act like chicken with their heads cut off, but they are not chickens. They're only like that sometimes.
I think funny. Ryan looks so weird.
Yes, it is. He looks like a zombie. Zombie.
He does look like a zombie, doesn't he?
Mm.
Dad, you killed the zombie Flanders.
You was a zombie?
The shoes?
Well, you could do a coat on his. Oh no, or you can do shoes. Yeah, maybe do the shoes because the skin probably is still too dry or too wet. I mean, it's not dry enough. That's what I meant.
Too dry.
It's too dry.
How are you talking?
I don't know. Is he not fat enough?
Let me see.
Let's
Let me
see.
see if the viewers think.
Is Pugsly fat enough? Or does he need a bigger belly?
Does he need a bigger belly, or is his belly thick enough?
Alright.
I think his belly is only 3 C's thick. Not 4 C's thick.
You need it bigger? I don't even know what you're talking about.
If the number of C's at the end of thick, then determine how thick it is.
Thick. Oh, I gotcha. Number of C's. It's not thick, it's thick. Alright, gotcha. Alright, we're gonna add some tummy. He's gonna get a little more of a tum. Okay, we've got a little more of a tummy. What do you think about that?
Alright,
A little
is
more
he
tum
chunky
tum?
enough now? Is he 4 C's thick? Yeah, he's easy enough. Yeah.
You think he's chunky enough now?
Yeah, that's easy enough. Yeah.
Alright. Now we gotta build some arms.
Yeah, he tried fast.
So he's gonna have like arms. He's got
Does he
little
like
hands.
it's like this?
Yeah, it's like that. That's what we're thinking.
Alright.
That Ethan and I were talking about.
Roll clap.
Oh no! Not chicken Colin. Anything but that guy. I hate that guy. Well, I hate him. He's just a nuisance. Hey, you. I'm not corn. I'm a mom. I will be treated as mom.
Mom.
Mommy! Mama!
No. No chicken Colin. He's a very, very silly chicken. He turned into chicken Colin again. He's a rare Dr. Chicken and Mr. Hyde condition.
Thank you, Doctor.
No, I'm not a doctor.
Okay, so I've added one arm. Now I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with the next arm. Ethan came in to talk to me, and I asked him some advice, and he told me he felt like my arms looked like he was shrugging and not so much evil laughing. So we're moving the arms forward and giving them more distinctive fingers. And maybe give a little more of a maniacal laugh look. Alright, so that's what we got done today. There's Murky and Brian. You look up close, here's Murky's hand. You see the little fingers. And also we have what we got done on Lurky. So there you go. That's what we got done so far. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching. And we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.
Too many birthdays.